chair's squeaking a bit. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I wanted to talk about how you can save a hell of a lot of money in 2020. I'm sure that we've all at different times struggled to save money, definitely myself included. It can be really hard. So I'm here today to give you some helpful tips and tricks on how you can save. So my first helpful tip for saving money is when you get your first paycheck, don't spend the money first. Put the money away into your savings account. However much you want to save, put it straight into the savings account and then spend what is remaining after. This way you have a huge bulk of money that you are putting into savings, so you will see the number climb a lot more rapidly, and the rest of the money that you have you can leave for just everyday household expenses, so like groceries, bills. Try and use that remainder money to split it over what you need to purchase for that week, fortnight, month, however you do your finances. Also, once that money is in your savings account, don't touch it. You seriously do not need to touch it. No matter how much you want to, leave it there. Don't touch it at all. Now this one might be a bit hard for some people, but really, don't ever depend on a single income if you can help it. So say that you have your normal 9-to-5 job, or maybe you're working part-time. You can always find time, if you think the money is worth it, to find something else to earn you a little bit extra moolah. In other words, pick up a side hustle. And trust me, your side hustle can be anything. You can turn anything into a side hustle. You can do cleaning, dog walking, social media management. There's so many endless possibilities. Honestly, just Google side hustle ideas and you will have this huge list of anything that you want to choose from it. Or if you already have a little bit in savings, or you're able to get a loan and you know how to manage your money, then you could do what we did and open an Airbnb. Ours has only been opened for nearly a month now, and we've already seen so much profit, and we're nearly ready to open a new one. So this is a great investment if you want to save money. I know that so many people nowadays, especially the younger generation, don't like to use cash. You just kind of use your bank card because you can just tap and go. A really awesome helpful tip is to use cash. Don't use your bank card, only use it to go to the ATM, draw out however much you think that you need for the week, and then don't go to the ATM again until your next paycheck. This way, when you run out of money, of the cash that is in your purse or your wallet or whatever you use, it's gone. So this way you'll kind of learn how to make your money last, and you won't have to use it as often. And honestly, I mean, if you're lazy like me, it takes effort to go to the ATM and draw more money out anyway. And then you're also gonna feel really shit if you draw it out and see more of your money go down. Another great way to save money is to create a budget. My boyfriend Ash taught me this when we first started dating, and I think it is an amazing idea. He runs his own finance business. It's called Aced Finance. If you're interested, I'll put a link in the description box. But for as long as I've known him, he's always had his own budget on his computer that he has set up himself, so it works perfectly for him. If you don't know what a budget is, I can do another video on how to create a budget. I would be really interested in doing that, so just let me know. Or if you're pretty, tech savvy with Microsoft, you can try using Microsoft Excel. It is a great program for anything to do with financial needs, and if you know how to use it, then you can create your own budget on that platform. You can easily see where your money is going in, where your money is going out, and then how you can save that money. Okay, so I feel a bit crappy about this one, but honestly, if you have a job and you are using your paycheck to buy your lunch every day or even a few times a week, you need to stop and just make your lunch at home and take it with you. Implementing this into your life, it is amazing how much money you can save. Yes, I know some people might not have the time to make their lunch in the morning, so if that's the case, do it the night before. Make your lunch, prep it, do meal prep. Put it in these little containers and all that sort of thing, and then just take it with you the next day. When I was working as a hairdressing apprentice a few years ago, I was only earning around $300 to $350 a week, and that's another reason why I'm not doing hairdressing anymore. This was also back when I was an anxious, pathetic little thing, and I was too scared to sit at work and eat lunch that I'd brought from home, so I would go to the cafe next door and buy my lunch every day. Do Do you know how much money I wasted by doing that? So roughly I spent about $12 every day. I worked 5 days a week and I would buy my lunch every day. If I do the math, that ends up to around $60 a week. I was only earning around $300. So that's $60 that I could have been putting into my savings, and I would have saved heaps by doing that. You don't realize that the money is there. You're just spending it. But if you don't spend it, then you have the money. So why spend it on stuff that you don't need? I'm a lot better at this now. In the past few jobs I've had, I've actually taken my own lunch in, and I have noticed an amazing difference in my savings account. The only thing is that gets me, I'm still working on this one, is when Starbucks brings out their pumpkin spice lattes. Yes, I'm that basic white girl. I am a sucker for the pumpkin spice lattes. When they're out, I buy, and then I get fat because I have way too many. I'm still working on this one, don't judge me. Next tip, cancel your subscriptions. Do you have Netflix? Do you have Stan, which is if you're in Australia, Spotify? So I used to have Netflix, Stan, Spotify, and YouTube Premium. So that added up to $50 a month, I'd say. Oh, and then if you've got Disney Plus as well, that's another like $8 something a month. If you have the time, a really good idea is to just use the free trial that they have at the time and just binge watch, and then that way you don't actually have to pay for the subscription, or do the cheeky way, and if you have multiple email addresses, just keep signing up with those and use the free trials. Just don't forget, like I have, don't forget to cancel them because then you get charged and then you have like $10 coming out of like all 3 accounts, and it's like, oh my god, $30, where did that go? Don't do that. But if you are signing up for multiple subscriptions, be strict with yourself and only sign up for the ones that you really need. So Ash and I are currently addicted to Shameless. We are obsessed with that show at the moment. So that is why we have Netflix. So we don't have any other TV show programs or anything like that that we are signed up for. At the moment, it is just Netflix. But if we were to get another one, we would watch everything that we wanted to watch on Netflix, cancel it, and then start up another one. Or if we had nothing else to watch on Netflix and we didn't really watch TV anymore, or go through a stage where we don't watch much, we would cancel it and then we'd save like $10 a month. The other one that I also have is YouTube Premium. So that one is really helpful for me as a small YouTuber because I'm one of those people that absolutely freaking hates watching stupid ads. It annoys the crap out of me. I hate it. So for me, it's definitely a worthwhile investment to invest in YouTube Premium. And you also get the free music as well. So why sign up for Spotify when you're signed up for YouTube Premium and you get free music on that anyway? Now this one might be more of a little bit of a grandma-ish sort of tip, so don't judge me for this, but seriously, if you want to save money, it really works. And that tip is don't use as many electronic appliances. So if you are doing your laundry, wash your laundry in the washing machine, don't put it in the dryer. Instead, go hang it out on the washing line. If you don't have a washing line, you can purchase a clothes horse. At Kmart, they have like these little ones, are like $12, easily affordable, and you are saving energy, you're saving power, it's better for the environment and for your bank account. Same with the dishwasher, just try and wash everything up by hand if you're a small family. Honestly, Ash and I try to wash up as much as we can. Sometimes we use the dishwasher if things have piled up. For example, on Christmas Day, I used the dishwasher just because there was so much and it was completely overwhelming. But if you have the time, try and wash up your dishes yourself so that you're not using so much electricity. And my last tip is to take advantage of deals and coupons. So I am considering myself incredibly lucky because recently I have become an affiliate of the online clothing store Shine. I'm sure many of you have heard of it, or you may have even ordered from there. If you would like to save a hell of a lot of money when you are online shopping, I would highly suggest going through Shine because I can offer you a discount code. If you'd like to know what the discount code is, it is just in the description box, and because you are all so lovely, I'm so glad that I get to offer this to you. I'll also be updating the codes regularly on my blog, so make sure to head on over there and subscribe to my emailing list if you would like more information. Just keep in mind that if you do purchase through any of my links, I may receive a small commission. So thank you so much for if you do want to do that, it would really help me out. And it makes me feel amazing because you guys want to support me, so thank you so much. This is also my way of saving money and making money to support myself and my small family. Don't forget to check out my blog if you haven't already. It is Katie Anderson Health Minimalism Lifestyle. It's very much related to this YouTube channel and I have them linked. So if you want to go check that out, make sure to let me know and let me know that you came from the YouTube channel. And that is the end of my video. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, I will be doing a lot more affiliate links if you would like to subscribe and take advantage of those. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. You know the drill. Comment below on what you would like to see next. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.